I don't understand. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I don't know, since them I'm not here today with another video for you guys. And what are we doing today?
What's in my hospital bag?
What's in my hospital bag, or what's in my baby bag? If you're new here, guys, and you're wondering, what are they talking about? So Nuts here is pregnant, and we
are pregnant.
We are pregnant, and we are about to have baby any day now. So a big part of having a baby is packing your hospital bag. So of course, for all our lovely subscribers, I know that you guys like the journey that we are on. So we thought, who better to share our hospital bag with than you lovely guys. If you're watching our channel for the first time, guys, please consider subscribing, like, share, and definitely leave a comment. What you get here is Canadian content, all things Canada related. Living in Canada, moving to Canada as an international student, like what we did. And also integrated in a new society. Yeah, if you like this kind of content, definitely subscribe. If not, still subscribe, because we'll appreciate it still. Long time subscribers, thank you guys so much for the love, support, and encouragement. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, guys, I would love.
Thank you guys.
Let's get into it. So for those who don't know, we just have to say it again. We're from a little island in the Caribbean that's called Jamaica. That's where we migrated to Canada from a few years ago. And having a baby in Jamaica, which we did already, and now we're going to be having our first child in Canada, hopefully our last child.
It is the last, not hopefully, and last.
Hopefully it is the last child. And, well, we don't know what the universe will. But anyways, moving on. Having our first child in Canada, we try to compare like the relationship between both in terms of having a baby in Jamaica versus having a baby in Canada. Most of our audience are actually Jamaicans, so this is actually directly down your alley, guys. So if you're coming to Canada and you happen to be, you alright?
No, she's stiff enough.
You know, any little movement, we're already gonna be. I can't keep going for a while again.
She has stiff.
I can't keep going for a while again. Good.
I'm good.
Sure.
Good, ma'am. That's all.
Just a check. Yeah, guys. So most of our audience are Jamaicans, so you guys will know what we're about to talk about when we say you have to pack an hospital bag. Now, before we get into the video, guys, we have been getting so many gifts and so many love and support from our subscribers. I would just want to say a huge
thank you.
You guys have seen it fit to go into your heart and also your pocket and blessed us. And we just want to say much love and much respect. I will really and truly appreciate you guys. And you guys have made so many difference. You have no idea. Alright. Now, if you had a baby in Jamaica, what are some of the stuff that you need to have when you're going into the hospital?
Bath pan, everybody. No, I had to bring everything. That's the thing. Bath pan. So I think for what bathing the baby or something, stuff like that. I didn't use it, so I don't know what they use it for. Clothes, everything from toilet paper to everything. It was like a big suitcase going in at the time, like 4 years ago.
Oh, I remember that. It was like a huge suitcase
going in. So it was packed with everything. It was packed with like I was just moving to our next country.
So when having a baby in Jamaica, pretty much packing to go into the hospital to have a child is almost like packing to
move. Honestly,
like you're going to travel.
And it was like too much. It was too much. That's too much.
I remember clearly because most of the shopping around and driving around and stuff, I was the one obviously doing that. So I remember we were like always on the road buying new stuff. Like we had to buy, as Nat said, one of those like
baby bad sets.
Well, it was more than one. You needed one for the baby. I needed one for the mother, I think.
I don't remember how it goes.
And then in addition to that, you needed like baby clothes, baby diaper, mommy clothes, wipes, nipple buckle, alcohol.
Enema.
There are so many things, guys, that you needed that literally like shopping for like to have a baby in Jamaica was like
too much.
It was like so much. And in addition to that, it was just so crazy because everything was like a cost of its own. Like to go to each doctor visit, of course, you do have let me just say this, you do have the public clinic that if you want to get in, you have to probably be there at 4:30 in the morning to get an early number.
I have somebody.
Exactly. And then you are lucky if you get through before 10 and 11 o'clock kind of a thing. But most persons can't be bothered with that stress. So what they do, they use their private gynecologist. Is it gynecologist or obstetrician?
Gyno slash optic.
Well, I think in Jamaica it's like most persons do the same thing.
Dr. God was
Yeah.
gynecologist.
So most persons go to their own gynecologist slash obstetrician, and then that come at a cost of its own. And the average doctor or visit cost was what? At the time was what?
Like, I think it was
$3,500 per visit. And did they take L card?
Yes, he took L.
But we still had to pay something out of pocket.
Money, yeah. But it was like 3,500 or 3, something like that, 4 years ago. So I don't want to know the cost.
So each ultrasound also come with its own cost. At the time, if I'm remembering clearly, I think the ultrasound was a little bit more expensive than the doctor visit, or was it less expensive?
It was less. It depends on the stage of pregnancy. I think stage of pregnancy determined the cost at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So pretty much, guys, when you factor in all the must have when you're going in to have baby, plus all the doctor visits that you must have when you're pregnant, in addition to all the ultrasound, and I didn't even talk about blood tests, which also was a cost of its own, which was like, depending on the blood test, can be like very, very expensive sometimes. And you had to do like blood tests throughout the pregnancy. So being pregnant in Jamaica is a very expensive venture to undertake. And yeah, that was our experience, guys. No, we're now living in Canada, and we are about to have another baby, as we said. So what have that experience been like? What are doctor visits like?
Very nice, cheap, and no cost associated with doctor's visit or ultrasound. With this pregnancy, this is what yesterday was my 7th. I did about 7 ultrasound. I didn't pay for none, so that was good. Doctor visit, none whatsoever. Blood test, nothing. Basically everything free.
I love Canada.
Exactly, everything is free. So yeah, it's pretty good so far. And when I went in, as persons might know that I went and did my IV to get iron, and from what I've seen with the staff at the hospital, they're like really, really nice people. Really, really nice. They're like, come like a hotel there, and them are spoon feed you. Literally, they're like so nice. So thus far, it's been really good.
But just to expound a little bit, guys, it's not really free. It is paid for, but it's paid for by Provincial Health. So as a resident in Alberta, or probably any province you're in, as a temporary or a permanent resident, you are given, well, when I say temporary resident, other than a visitor. If you're an international student or a temporary worker that's going to be in the province for longer than 6 months, you might be eligible for provincial health, which covers all of these that we're talking about. So provincial health actually covered all the doctor visits, which at this point is once a week. It covers all your blood tests, ultrasound, IV, any little thing that you have to do. It's all covered. So at this point in time, guys, outside of like getting essentials for a baby and mommy, we haven't spent a single dollar in terms of none of the process, in terms of doctor visits, anything. We haven't spent a dollar. Give thanks, right? So yeah, you definitely want to consider having a baby in Canada. So guys, we've been going on and on. So we did mention that in Jamaica you need a lot of stuff in your hospital bag, like literally house on land, like a huge suitcase when you are going into the hospital. So we have this bag right here. This is a bag I'm showing you. This is the bag. It's all packed. It's all packed with all we need, and in our opinion, we have even overpacked.
Because when I asked my doctor, what am I supposed to take to the hospital, she was like, she was like trying to search for things for me to take. She was like, can you get the personal stuff? I'm like, okay, what personal stuff? I'm like, only personal stuff. And she's like, yeah, just that. I know back in our country, because she's not from in Canada as well. She's from a country in Africa. And she's like, believe it or not, in my country, they have to even carry their own gloves to be used. So, whoa. Yes. That's what she told me. So she's saying that here is like much better.
Have to carry their own gloves.
Gloves. Mothers have to carry their own gloves.
Which country that?
Nigeria.
In Nigeria? You can't say Nigeria. In Nigerian people,
No, sorry, that's what my doctor
Nigerian
told me.
government, why you don't have the pregnant ladies have to pack gloves come at the hospital?
So that's what my doctor told me, not
man.
me. I can't say it's true or false. I don't. That's what she said. So yeah,
Yeah,
and
guys.
everybody at the hospital, the same question I asked: what should I carry? Your personal stuff. Carry your little personal stuff. You don't have to carry much. And a friend that had recently have a baby, she carried a small bag. So right now, I think I'm overpacked.
Yeah, guys. So I just showed you the bag. I'll show you guys again. This is it. It's just a normal little duffel bag. I can swing it over my shoulder, and we feel like we're overpacked. Now, what is in this bag, guys? I know you guys have been waiting like all of 10 minutes to see what is in this bag. No, let's show you guys what's in this bag. Now, guys, of course, when you have your baby, you're gonna want to have your little blanket for a little bundle of joy. I say all of this.
You from me, because
you have to protect your head. I said, yeah. So we have this blanket.
It's a Fennel blanket, which I don't remember where I got it from, but it's really cheap. Because I'm not buying no expensive.
Yeah, this was a very cheap blanket, but it feels really, really cuddly. And this is just because we want to have our own that we can, wrap baby in, and especially when it's time for baby to come home. How about this?
Baby clothes.
Oh, baby clothes. Sorry for the patwa, guys. Oh, I'm sorry for the patwa. In this, guys, is just a few sets of baby clothes. I'm probably just show you guys quickly what it is. And this is just really for when baby is coming home, and like if we want to put baby in our own little thing. So this is a nice little hat. And this is actually a must-have because it's a place very cold. So we have two little hats.
And yeah, I don't know what it's called.
I think it's called onesie.
Yeah, something like that.
Big up a good father then.
Our slippers.
So we have a few of these. We have like how much of these? We have 1,
Like 3,
2, 3.
and a bottom.
And we have this as well.
Overpacked. And we have little mittens because the place is cold.
Yeah, we have little mittens. So this is all we're taking for baby. This is all we're taking for baby, and this is just because we have to make sure that baby is well dressed when she's leaving hospital, you know what I mean? So this is just a little Ziploc bag, guys, as you can see.
A jacket in there depending on the temperature for the
day.
Yeah, a little jacket.
Depending on the temperature, we might add a jacket. Now what else do we have in the bag, Grips?
So they keep on saying have your personal stuff. So start with these. So I have my body wash, my lotion, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste. What triple action can't miss.
And we also have like a spray deodorant just to make sure the arm not too green afterwards. That is not in the bag as yet, but it is pretty close somewhere in the room and stuff. We also have a small pack of wipes.
That's one of the only things that I remember them stating out. Oh, you can take a pack of wipes. Like, nothing.
Nothing.
Like, you can take a pack of wipes.
So we have a pack of wipes, as you guys can see, it's from Pampers. And we also have a big pack of wipes in case you choose to do the funny business more than we did expect. So we have a bigger pack as well. And we also have this is the only diaper that we're taking, guys. Because legit they told us, they didn't even tell us to bring diaper. They will give us diaper.
Overpacked.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just 7 diaper, guys. Just because we're like, oh gosh, you look too bad. We have to bring something.
I have to bring something. We can't just go with me.
We'll have to bring something. So we literally just packed this bag with diaper, which we might not even end up use anyway.
Okay.
This was actually a gift. Newborn diaper was actually a gift from a friend. Big up yourself. I'm not sure if you want to be named, but you know yourself.
Soother.
Oh yes, pacifier.
Pacifier, and you also bought the night.
Nighty.
It's not a nighty. It's a night breast thing that was in the registry.
Yeah.
As we said, we don't know if you want the name to be called, so we're not gonna call it.
Well, you know yourself. Thank you so
very
much. And yeah, see, Pampas at work. Thank you so much. In this Ziploc bag, guys, this say we had only one blanket, but we actually had
This is a receiver.
a few receiver, just because
Like 2 receivers.
yeah, we want to own. Yeah, guys, we're having a girl even though it's blue, but I don't know we live in a gender neutral society, so yeah, color is really like irrelevant.
And I don't like pink, so if you don't see my kids in pink, or if you see them in pink, it's because I'm trying to gear them towards that, because I don't like pink at all.
Furthermore, we got this pink blanket. After that speech of why she don't like pink, she bought this pink blanket.
Because she's a girl, just try.
And then we got these 2 receivers.
We get these from a subscriber as well. I mean, I'm not sure. That's the thing. I'm not sure if you guys want your name to be called. I think it's Vina Gay. I'm just gonna call her first name. Thank you very much for the blanket.
Thank you. Blanket at work, guys. Yes. Blanket at work. Pretty soon, guys, we'll be able to like take a picture, like physically having like little baby blank. I'm not gonna call her name in this blanket. I will just definitely show you guys a picture as well. Thank you guys so much. It's really appreciated.
So I have my socks. I got 2 pair of socks just to put in the bag, because you know that the place can be cold sometimes. So
socks is a must. And then this, guys, is all or nuts bingo.
You love to take off bingo then sometimes so can't see it. Yes. And I have a little tights or stuff like that in there. And also I have in there is maternity bra as well. So all this is in one bag. Yeah,
so that of course is self-explanatory. So and then you know what else we have, guys? We have some sanitary napkin that we're not gonna show on the screen.
Hi, mommy.
Hey, Malika.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Just waking up.
Okay, come here. Come right here.
Come on, mama.
Come on, mama. Yeah, guys. So we got some of those essential stuff as well, and
rag.
got a bathing rag, and we got
my slippers.
Nice little pink slippers for the lady that doesn't like pink.
I don't like pink. If I had the choice, I would take it in black, but there wasn't any black.
Right? Well, the pink is kind of nice too. And then instead of nightie, they just say, you know what, you can take your own pajama just to feel comfortable. So we got this nice little red and blue and white pajama.
Yeah.
Looking a little bit like Christmas. This is the top and this is the bottom for nuts. And this is just for her personal. What she want, like afterwards, like you know, we'll probably spend a night or 2.
Depends.
Depending on everything.
And I also have a robe.
She has a robe.
Just in case.
This is a very big robe, guys. Like, not the last thing of this, by the way.
It's comfortable. And
this this robe is courtesy of Nat's mom, by the way. Big up yourself, Gloria. Good up, mother.
Whoa, put this there. Also, we got something from Amai. I don't remember the breast thing that she bought from the baby registry. I want to thank you so much, Amai. We have a playpen coming as well, and that is from Alexia.
And Alexia is actually a very good friend of ours. Thank you so much, Alexia. Alexia always say there is 5 persons in this relationship, including Nats, myself, baby, Malika, and Alexia.
So thank you
so Alexia
so much.
Is the real deal.
And thank you to the Browns who have purchased some stuff for baby and Malika. Thank you guys so much. And I want to say a big thank you to Jody. If it wasn't for Jody, we wouldn't have received these stuff, because she's the one who said that she wanted to bless us. So we should open a registry and promote it as much as possible. So I want to tell you thanks, Jody. Thank you so much for doing
Absolutely. And at first, like Jody had to like be convincing us to start this registry because you know what? It wasn't something that we had on our agenda to do at all. We weren't even thinking about it, guys.
Well, I did something and I put it, if Jody can call, put it under a few videos, and I'm like, oh, well, leave it alone. So when she went there and saw it, she was like, okay, you need to fix up this. Put in that, whatever. So it was all Jody's. Thank you very much.
And blessings to all of the persons who are just sending some words of encouragement as well, guys. Like, I mean, like, you have no idea how, like, impactful those words are. We really appreciate it. You guys, like, definitely keep us going. There are so many persons who has blessed us. We did another video where we thank you guys personally. For those who have blessed us and don't want to be named, thank you guys so much. And for those who probably forgot to mention your name, listen, we appreciate you guys, and you guys have no idea how much we appreciate these blessings. Definitely, guys. But to our channel, you can definitely check in the link description. We have a Telegram group if you have any. If you want to be a part of a community that is all things about Canada in terms of the processes or whatever, definitely check it out. It's something that is totally free. It's something that you just join and you get to talk with like-minded persons. It's not really limited to any particular country. Anywhere in the world you are, you can definitely check it out and you can just become a part of this awesome community. If you want to bless us some more, guys, you can consider joining our channel by hitting that join button right down below. Unfortunately, it's not available in some countries, including Jamaica. But if you're in Canada or the US or anywhere else around the world, you can definitely consider doing that. And in addition to that, guys, you can just keep it coming by sharing our channel. Definitely subscribe if you're new. And if you know anyone who wants to have the Canadian experience without being in Canada, definitely suggest our channel to them and just keep the link growing. Thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you guys so much for the support. We just want to say peace, blessings, and love. Always keep positivity flowing. That's all we do. Create a ring of positivity around yourself and encourage nothing negative. Bless up on yourself. Little more.